Yeah, now we're ready.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to give you an on your mark, get set, go. When I say go, you will have 3 minutes. If you finish early, say time, and I'll stop the time, in which case you may not do anything else or move the robot. I will try and give you warnings when there's 1 minute and 30 seconds left. If I neglect to notice exactly at those times, I will notify you at approximately those times and let you know how much time is left. I will also make every attempt to count down the final seconds. Okay?
Yep.
All right. Are you ready?
Yep.
On your mark, get set, go.
Hey.
Open it. Go ahead. Is that good for you?
No. Alright, let's get it.
Shake, shake.
Come on, boy. Yeah.
Hey.
The noises you make. Can we get that one?
I'll sit my
Push.
lunch.
Yeah, I won't. Don't worry.
What's the robot's name?
I don't know. Maybe. Hold up.
Come on, boy.
The robot's name
There we
should
go.
be Hal.
Nice, nice.
I don't think I'm getting that.
Hal?
Nice. Oh, oh. Okay. Alright, oh.
Hal is the computer from the movie 2001: A Space
I love that
Odyssey.
movie.
Oh, I gotta watch it. Yeah, I know.
It takes a sitting, it takes a little patience, it is a classic and worth it.
It takes control of the ship, right, and kills off it. Yeah, I want to watch it.
Bruh. Damn, let me go.
You good?
Hey. Lift.
Oh, sorry, Andy.
Oh.
How much time?
You have 1 minute and 18 seconds remaining.
Yeah, we'll do one.
Come on, Chris. Hey.
Oh, that grip though. Let's go, man.
Higher. Higher.
Hey.
Hey.
Getting tangled here.
Not the box. Let's pick up the box.
Put the box over the
30
batteries.
seconds remaining.
It's so easy.
Boy. It's not easy. You just flip the battery around.
Oh, shut up.
I got it. Nice.
Let's go, Chris. Hey.
Oh. This is it.
Drop. Oh.
Alright, what do?
I'll play this with you.
Come on. Yeah. Push it, push it. Lower it.
We can-
Yo, the battery's heavy, yo.
It's okay. No, we have plenty of torque.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time.
Oh!
I have to reread the rules. There's a lot of there were a lot of specifics about this because I think you could have left that box on its side
like,
as
rolled
long
it.
as the battery remained in it.
Yeah, entirely contained it.
Yeah.
Could have rolled it in.
It's okay. That was epic.
Well, there's an idea.